Hey, my yoga friends. So, thanks so much for joining me for the 5-day Feel Good Flow Yoga Kickstart Challenge. I hope that you really enjoyed the yoga classes and you got big takeaways from the slide presentations and all of the topics that we dove into. And I want to open up my membership to you, my Yoga and Movement Circle. We're a community of women 40 plus where we do 11 live Zoom exercise classes a week. And I want to do a behind the scenes to show you exactly what you'll be getting if you join the membership. And also to let you know that I want to give you a special coupon gift for $1 for 30 days just to come try it out, see if it's a good fit, see if you enjoy exercising at home in your living room, if that works for you. I teach Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, see if the schedule is good fit for you. And I'm going to bring a behind the scenes up and let you see what the membership looks like. So I'm going to share my screen here. And so when you join the Yoga and Movement Circle membership, this will be the first page that will come. You'll get a code, temporary login code to a backdoor membership, and you can manage your account here. So this will be the home page when you log on. You'll get a welcome video, join our a private Facebook page. This is where we interact together, but if you're not on Facebook, don't worry because I send out a weekly newsletter every Friday so you can keep up to date via email as well. Let me bring up the calendar so that you can see what it looks like. So again, I teach Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Monday mornings, first class longevity yoga, 9 a.m. Central. This is an alignment-based mobility and pain relief class. A lot of my students have gotten great results, and I hope that it would help you as well. Low back pain, sciatica pain. And then we move on to a combo class. My students have asked me for this, and it's my favorite, their favorite class, my favorite too. We just combine everything up for an hour. So we do 20 minutes of seated yoga and chair Pilates. Then we stand up and we do yoga as well as weightlifting, basic weightlifting. And then we do a beginner chair yoga class. So if you're a total beginner, this is a great starting point if you haven't stretched in quite some time. And then we do an afternoon reset class. So the theme is quit sitting all day, quit working at your desk or whatever, come and stretch at 2 in the afternoon Central. Let's stand up, let's move, and then let's do a deep relaxing somatic yoga pose to reset our day. No classes on Tuesdays, and then Wednesday I teach in the evening. So again, first we do that afternoon class on Wednesdays, but then Wednesday night is the longevity yoga at 6 p.m. On the mat, hip openers, 6:30 Central, and no class Friday or Thursday, and then Friday, chair yoga in the morning, and longevity. No classes on Saturday, but then we also do every Monday at 4 Central. We do mini mastermind classes, and I'll just show you what that is. Sometimes we have guest speakers, but basically we're talking about topics that the women are interested in. We want to learn and grow together. We want to support each other and be each other's cheerleader to help us show up and be motivated on our wellness journey. And we talk about all kinds of topics from solutions for sleep to all about diatomaceous earth, how to make kefir. We talked about bioengineered foods, herbal remedies. We talked about fermented foods. So lots of different topics. There's some healthy habit trainings in here. If you want to build healthy habits, we talked about that in the challenge. There's lots of different books that we've discussed and we review here. And then there is a 14-day wellness challenge with all kinds of worksheets that you can do that will help you to design your healthy habit. And you can manage your subscription here. Like I said, you can cancel anytime. It is $20 a month. And also refer a friend. If you refer someone into the community, you get a full 30 days for free, as well as I work one-on-one with people if you're interested in that. if you're struggling with procrastination, you want to go further in the healthy habits, or you want to up level your exercise routine. We use one Zoom link. It's right here. It makes it easy for you. And so that's what the membership portal looks like. And then let me bring up, let me bring up the sales page so that I can show you how the coupon works. So if you decide that this is a good fit and you want to try it for $1, you'll get a sales page like this, and it tells you you're going to get 2 yoga class combo classes, 3 longevity classes, 2 easy movement stretch and somatic yoga afternoon classes, an on-the-mat hip stretch, 2 beginner yoga classes, weekly mini mastermind. So this all comes up to $1,230 in value for $20, and it's really such a great price for $20. You're really getting a lot of value. And so what you'll do is you'll come over here, and right here, this coupon code's only going to be good through Thursday, February 5. So please take advantage of it by then. You're going to put in the dollar symbol and then the number 1, and then all uppercase yoga. You have to click this purple button to apply it, or it won't apply. See, it just gave you the $19 discount. You have to click agree. This is, I've checked with my doctor, whatever limitations you may have, that you're aware of that, as well as you'll be billed $20 a month unless you cancel. So again, you can either cancel on your membership portal, or you can reach out to me if you at any time want to cancel. So you can come into the membership for $1 for the 30 days. That's what the sales page looks like. Don't forget to apply the little purple arrow, or it won't work. So I'm so appreciative, so much gratitude for you guys. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and I look forward to doing yoga with you. I hope to see you in the membership, and take care of my yoga friends. If you have any questions, reach out, let me know, comment back, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and namaste.